In this lecture, I would like to talk about the social medias that is used in our EC Academy for educational purpose. First, we use Facebook as the real-time chatting tool and a lot of communication between the student, parents, and teacher are through this Facebook account, facebook.com Dr. Eric Chow. And as you can see right here, this is the Facebook page we have. And we can use Facebook for schedule change, for sending the video links. And the video usually is the recorded video for some tutoring sessions. And we also use Facebook to send out the important notice and meeting notice and the graded homework as the graded homework return site. And we use Gmail for homework submission and data sharing. And the account is right here, echou510@gmail.com. And we use that for sending homework and share data. We use YouTube as classroom recording and upload of the recording and listing the recording into the playlist so students can watch the video after the class finished. And they can use that as a review tool. And the website is youtube.com/c/EricChowPhD. And we use that for the recording of the classroom. And in the future, we may add other tools. Thank you. Bye now.